Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
This is Yoruba class again. The continuation, the one that we have been doing before on numbers. That is ìtẹ̀síwájú lórí òǹkà Yorùbá. The continuation on numbers, figures in Yoruba. We talked about from 1 to 100 last time. Yes, now, and I've told you that when we have anything 1, 2, 3, 4, that is, we have what we call plus, which is le in Yoruba. That is +1, +2, +3, +4. Anything 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 21, 31, 32, 102, all this. When it has 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be increasing. That is, we call it le ami aropo. That is additional sign. So, and anything that is a minus, that is starting from figure 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will be reducing. That is what we call -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, which is minus. We call it din in Yoruba. Din, le, -5, -6, -7, -8. That is, when we had 5 plus 5 here, it will give us 10. When we had 6 plus 4, so this one will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you add it together, it will give us 1. So it will be reducing. When we have din, the sign of minus is din. So when we want to start from 100 now. I've told you that 10 is ẹ̀wá. You can say ẹ̀wá. 20, 40. I want to do the round figure now so that I'll be able to remind us what we talked before. 20, we call it ogún or oko. 40, we said ogún méjì, which is ogójì, or we call it òjì. That is 40. Also 50, 60, let's say 60. I want the one in 2020 so they're able to understand again. 60, which is ogún mẹ́ta, that is ọgọ́ta. We call it ọ̀tà, which is 20 times 3. This one is 20 times 2, while this one is 20 times 1. That's when we say ogún kan. And if you remember, I told you that when we are saying the numbers in Yoruba, I told you the meaning of I said it represents 10. It represents 10. So when we say 80, it means ogún mẹ́rin. That is, we can see 40 in 2 places, which is 20 times 4. That is 20 in 4 places, which is ọgọ́rin. Ọgọ́rin, we call it ọ̀rin. Because all this one, we see this oko, òjì, ọ̀tà, ọ̀rin. We see meet it when we are moving forward now. Then I said 100 will be 20 times 5. This one is 20 times 4. While this one is ọgọ́rùn-ún, that is ogún márùn-ún. 100, ogún márùn-ún, 100, which is ọ̀rún. Can have ọ̀rún, which is 20 times 5. So that is for that. +1, +2, +3, +4. That is ó lé ẹyọkan, ó lé méjì, ó lé mẹ́ta, ó lé mẹ́rin. -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, which is ó dín márùn-ún, ó dín mẹ́rin, ó dín mẹ́ta, ó dín méjì, ó dín ẹyọkan. So So I'm going for the 5 one now. This is 10, 20, 50, 40, 60, 80, 100 to remind us. So we are going for 15, 25, 35, 45. That is 15, 25, 35, 45, 65, 75, 75. 15. We call it, that is, you take away 5 from 20, which is the whole number. 20 minus 5. I told you that we are counting from the back to the front in Yoruba. That is, this is 5. You remove 5 from 20, it will give us 15. That 15 we call it márùndínlógún. If you remember, márùndínlógún from the back. So this one we also go for 30 whole number, which is 30 minus 5. It will also give us márùndín. We call this one ọgbọ̀n, which is márùndínlọ́gbọ̀n. It means that when you remove 5, so this is the 5, we remove it from 20. That is the meaning of odi minus in numbers. We use the terms odi. Now this one, we will remove 5 from 30. When we remove it, it will give us 25. I've told you that we count from the back to the front. Márùn, this is the márùn. Let me draw it again. This is 5 márùn, and this is minus d, and this is ọgbọ̀n. I've told you. Ọgbọ̀n. 30. Now, this is also 35. When we say 35, we are going for 40. And the 40 I've told you is ogójì. We call it ogójì. That is 20 times 2. We have 20 in 2 places. Minus 5. Minus 5. 5 minus 40, it will give us 35. That is, when we remove 5 from 40, it will give us 35. Márùndínlógójì. We call this one ogójì. Or another name for it I've told you is ojì. We said ojì. Ogójì. And this one is 45. Look at it again. Márùndínlógójì. You can see now. Márùndínlógójì. So I will clean it again. Now this one is 45. The 45 also, we go to the next whole number, which is 50. When you remove 5 from 50, it will give us 50. And I said that this sign means D minus. You take away. You removed. So 5, when you take away 5 from 50, when you remove it, it will give us 45. So this is it. And if you could remember, I said that you can use terms márùn, àrún. So I want to use àrún now because it's still the same thing. Àrún or àrún. Márùndínláàdọ́ta. Márùndínláàdọ́ta. Is in the middle of sentence. That is why we see 2 are there. And that I've told you means 10 in numbers in Yoruba. And I've said that the meaning is that if this this one is 50, that is this 5 minus 50. These are represented. So we are going for 55. 55. 55. And the 55, the next whole number will be 60 minus 5. When you remove 5 from 60, it will give us 55. So you can say àrún dín. I've told you that this 60 is ọgọ́ta, which is 20 times 3. And if you are not calling it ọgọ́ta, it's going to be ọ̀ta. Ọ̀ta. So now àrún dín lọ́gọ́ta. Lọ́gọ́ta. Àrún dín lọ́gọ́ta. Now 65. The 65 will be 70, another whole number. 70 minus 5. 70 minus 5. That is, when you remove 5 from 70, it will give us 65. So I can say àrún dín láàádọ́rin. Look at it now. This one we said is ọgbọ̀n. This is ogójì. This is ọgọ́ta. Now this is láàádọ́ta. This is láàádọ́rin. Yeah. So láàádọ́rin. If you remember, this one is 3. This one is 4. That is for the formula. This one is 2. Ogún. This one is 2. Ogójì. This one is ọgọ́ta. 3. You can see it now. So àrún dín láàádọ́rin. I said that 70 is àádọ́rin. So let me rub it. 65. So we are going for 75.